Hello YouTube. Today we are testing a fairly new version of Ophilia Go Android app in support of the Holy Stone 720E drone. Early in this test, I don't go too crazy. I basically make sure that the drone is stable. I had calibrated it. And on takeoff, I went straight up in the air, and I think the max altitude was just over 100 feet, like 102. If you are familiar with San Antonio at all, you are looking east going down Marbach Road, not too far from Loop 1604. Right now I'm panning east and going north, and then we should be looking directly west in a few seconds. As we continue to pan west, the highway you're looking at right there is Loop 1604. And the bottom left-hand corner, that is Marbach Road. That school in front of you is Scobie Middle School. I'm on a field, an elementary school field, opposite Scobie Middle School. As we continue panning west to south, that flyover you're seeing on your top left, that is the flyover for Highway 90. Now we're going back from south to west to north. That's Scobie Middle School. Okay, we're beginning the landing phase right now. Of course, I got the GPS on, and it is pretty accurate. I did do the calibration. I do it each time I fly, especially if I change locations. And believe it or not, the drone landed on the edge of my makeshift landing pad. now I'm attempting to use the follow me feature. I really haven't had any luck with this feature. It seems like it starts out well and then it does a completely different thing altogether. In this case, it turned off by itself and without any input from me. I don't know if it's this version, but I've been through 3 versions of this software and it never really worked well for me at all. Alright, we move locations. This new location is going to be on the intersection of Loop 410 and Highway 151 on the far west side of San Antonio. Again, I'm using a fully charged battery. I recalibrated the drone and I'm just flying around. I really don't have an agenda at this point. Again, this is going into the landing phase of this flight. You see me and my makeshift landing pad. And again, I'm using GPS and the landing was pretty spot on. So the good news here is, with the new software upgrade, I felt like I was in control of the drone at all times, and it never ran away from me. When I hit the home button, it came back to me and landed pretty accurately.